guys, it's Tammy and welcome to Tip Tuesday. I got this tip from my friend Pat who said that sometimes when you're cutting, and this is true, when you are cutting your glitter paper usually, or foiled paper, or any kind of really thick kind of, I don't know, messy cardstock on the front, first of all, when you're doing it this way, you get glitter all over you, which is fine, but then sometimes it's not as easy to cut, and sometimes, well, that one cut okay, but sometimes it's not as easy to cut, and it's really not easy to see if you've scored it or whatever. It's hard to tell. Let me show you by scoring this so you can see what I'm talking about. If I score it right here, I took some of the glitter off, so it's kind of easy to tell because the glitter is off, but you don't really want that. But if you turn it around to the back side, you can see the score line easily. Now, I did that. I went over twice, and I don't know if you guys saw that, but I scored it twice. So let me just score it once this time, and you can totally see the score line, and it doesn't take the glitter off of the back. So if you're cutting or scoring with glitter, it's a lot easier if you put the glitter side down and then do your score or your cut, and it will make it a lot easier on you. So that's just a little tip. I hope that you guys like it, and I hope that you guys will try it and find it easier yourself. So thanks so much, and thank you, Pat, for the tip. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.